We are pleased to show you the 2013 Town & Country. Town & Country's V6 engine provides plenty of power while still providing the fuel efficiency you look for in a vehicle. Tow up to 3,600 pounds when your Town & Country is equipped with a towing prep package. Seat 7 comfortably and choose from stow and go seating or the innovative swivel and go seating. This vehicle has less than 150,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: touring suspension, speed control, body color door handles, compact spare tire, dual note horn, fog lamps, front wheel drive, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, door courtesy lights. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.